What is the exact value of sine pi by 10? Choose the correct answer from below. Option A is square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5 divided by 4. Option B is square root of 5 minus 1 plus 10 plus square root of 5 divided by 8. Option C is square root of 5 minus 1 whole divided by 4. And option D is square root of 5 plus 1 whole divided by 4. Finally, option E is none of the above. Now, pi by 10 is equal to 180 degree by 10 degree, and that is equal to 18 degree. Remember, pi is in radians and pi by 10 radians is 18 degrees. Let us use 18 degrees instead of pi by 10 for ease of writing. Now 18 degrees is equal to 90 degree minus 72 degree. Therefore, sine of 18 degree is equal to sine of 90 degree minus 72 degree, and that is equal to cos of 72 degree. Now cos of 72 degree is cos of 2 multiplied by 36 degrees, and that is 2 cos square 36 degree minus 1 from the identity that cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now since 36 degree itself can be written as 2 multiplied by 18 degree, we can write sine 18 degree is equal to cos 72 degree, that which you have seen here, and that is 2 cos square 36 degree minus 1, and that is equal to 2 cos square 2 multiplied by 18 degree minus 1. And since cos square 2 multiplied by 18 degree is 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree, we can write sine 18 degree is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree whole squared minus 1. Let us say x is equal to sine 18 degrees. Then x is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2x square, that is equal to 1 plus 4x to the power of 4 minus 4x square minus 1, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 8x to the power of 4 minus 8x square minus 1, and by simplifying it becomes 8x to the power 4 minus 8x square plus 1. From the first two terms, if you take x square common, 8x square common, that is, we get 8x square multiplied by x square minus 1 plus 1. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Now, coming back to the problem, we had found out the value of x to be 8x square multiplied by x square minus 1 plus 1. Now, if you take everything to one side, that is to the left side of the equation, we get 8x square multiplied by x square minus 1 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 8x into x square minus 1, that is 8x square into x square minus 1 is equal to 8x square multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Therefore, this equation becomes 8x square multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. And taking x minus 1 common, we get x minus 1 multiplied by 8x square multiplied by x square plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 1, 8x cubed plus 8x square minus 1 is equal to 0, which is equal to x minus 1, and here we have made a little modification so that this can be factored out. We have written this as 8x cubed plus 4x square plus 4x square minus 1, and the whole thing is equal to 0. So that is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by 4x square multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus this quantity is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1, and the whole thing is equal to 0. Or x minus 1 multiplied by, if you take 2x minus 2x plus 1 common between the two terms, we get 2x plus 1 multiplied by 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1 multiplied by 4x square plus 2x minus 1, and that is equal to 0. There are three factors on the left hand side of the equation, and when any of these factors is 0, then the product also becomes 0 and the equation is satisfied. That means at least one of the three factors on the left hand side of the equation has to be 0. If x minus 1 is 0, then x is equal to 1. This is one value of x. If 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus half. This is the second value of x. If 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is 0, then because it is a quadratic equation in x, it will give two values of x. And those two values will be, see, by using the general formula for the solutions to quadratic equation, that is, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2 multiplied by a. We know that. Therefore, x in this case becomes minus 2 plus or minus minus 2 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 4, and if we simplify that, that becomes minus 2 plus or minus square root of 20 divided by 8, or x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 divided by 8, and if you cancel out 2 from the numerator and denominator, we get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 4. And for x is equal to minus 1 plus root over square root of 5 divided by 4, we get one value of x. And if x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 4, it is another value of x. So we get 4 values for x, that is 1, minus half, 1 is here, minus half is here, and minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 4, and minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 4. Since x is equal to 18 degree, sin x is not 1 but is positive. Therefore, the only suitable value after the 4 is sin x is equal to sin 18 is equal to sin pi by 10 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 4, or square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Thank you.